Hi, I'm Mitch from Chestnut Van Centre, showing us 2016 Ford Transit. It's 2016 16 plate Ford Transit 350. Registration is available upon request. L2H2, so it's the medium wheelbase, medium roof. 2.2 diesel, so it's got the timing chain engine, not that wet belt. 125 brake horsepower. It's one fleet owner from new. It has definitely been a work van. It has got marks on it. No big scrapes, no big dents. It has got scratches. Double rear doors at the back. Rear parking sensors too. Again, some marks on the back doors. Drives absolutely fantastic. Single side loading door. It's got to come new to MLT. No advisories on MLTs. If it needs to be replaced, it will. Also come with a full service and a warranty too. Not as many scratches on this side. Has got the front parking sensors. And the fog lamps too. Let's have a look inside. So inside it is clean, it is tidy. You've got your 3 seats up front. Looking good with a tailor fitted seat covers on. Power windows, multi-function steering wheel. It's actually got the upgraded steering wheel in. 6-speed box. Bluetooth too. Even got the Ford genuine mats in there. So the rear's been ply lined. Now there's absolutely nothing wrong with this ply lining. It's just some bright spark. Let's try to put some spray cans on there, and it would be criminal to throw it away and change it if it's going to be a work van. L2H2, medium wheelbase, medium roof, factory fitted bulkhead. And the same from this angle. Apart from the spray paint, it's actually very clean, tidy rear. So there you have it, 2016 Ford Transit 350. Going to come in and sell MLT and a full service for ourselves too. Finance and nationwide delivery also available.